One of the most overlooked aspects of ROI or return on investment or value creation is what happens at the moment you go live with S/4HANA. And what I mean by that is a lot of times we focus on implementation cost, and we know how to manage that, or we at least think we know how to manage that. We understand it. And then we look at long-term business value. But what doesn't happen is organizations miss this really big risk and this big opportunity in the middle, which is what happens in those weeks or months right after go live. For example, if you go live with S/4HANA and you can't ship product for 6 weeks or 8 weeks, or you can't run payroll for 6 weeks or 8 weeks, what does that do to your organization? What does that cost? And the reason you need to understand that is because you have to quantify the risk, and you have to figure out how are we going to minimize the risk, which, by the way, might require us to spend more on the implementation cost, which, of course, we're also trying to minimize implementation cost. But if we minimize implementation cost and just increase our operational disruption risk, that is not a good trade-off.